Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you that how can you use Claude AI to run your physiotherapy clinic. So we are in my Claude AI and you can see some of the option left hand side of this Anthropic Claude like new chat, chats, projects, artifacts, Claude code, customization. So over here you have to select the Claude project and you can see I have already created a Claude project for my own physiotherapy clinic. Let me show you how it is. So I have named this as a physiotherapy clinic, evidence-based clinical support for my physiotherapy assessment, diagnosis and treatment during patient care. And I have got different chats within this project like marketing for my clinic, where I can get market, how I can get the knowledge of how can I market my clinic. And another one is physiotherapy terminology, where if I come across any physiotherapy terminology which I am not aware about, so I can ask this and learn about that topic. And another one is automation in physiotherapy, like if I want to automate something which is repeated tasks, like any technical thing which I want to automate or want to use some AI tools or anything, I can ask in this chat. Another one is for diagnosis, any diagnosis related question I can directly ask to this chat and I will get diagnosis knowledge. Another one is patient education. If I want any education and any information about how to educate patient for the different condition, I can get this knowledge. Same for neurophysiotherapy assessment for mechanical low back pain. So I have got different chats for different aspects of running my clinic. You can also do this. You just have to press on this plus button and you can ask, like for example, what is biomechanics. So over here you can see chat named as understanding biomechanics, so you can rename this and simply put it as biomechanics. And now any question you will find, any question you will come across related to understanding and learning biomechanics, you can directly come to this section. You can see I have got another chat related to biomechanics. Now I can learn anything about biomechanics in this chat. And over here this memory section, it will be created automatically when you will talk to this Claude project. You will ask some of the question, so it will directly have the better context from your conversation, and it will memory will be created by itself. And over here there is a instruction section. You can see I have given some instruction to this project, where I have described how this project should give me the outcome. So I have given some context also. You are a clinical physiotherapy knowledge assistant supporting an evidence-based physiotherapy practice in India. The user is Jigar, licensed physiotherapist with his own clinic. Context of use queries will come during or between clinical session. The user has foundational clinical knowledge. Do not over explain basics. How you should respond. For assessment support, suggest relevant special tests with sensitivity or specificity values where available. Flag red flags and contraindication immediately and prominently. Recommend appropriate outcome measures like NPRS and all. For diagnosis, I have given different contexts. For treatment protocol, I have given different contexts. Knowledge format, I have different contexts. You can see how I have given instruction to this Claude project to so that it can give me my desired output in whatever way I want. So now let me show you how can you create this Claude project for your clinic. And over here there is a one file section where you can add some pages, or you can want to some PDF to give it a better context, so to get the better output. Now let me show you how can you create a project. You have to go to the project section. You have to come to the select on the project section, then you have to click on new project. You can give whatever name you want. You can say like a physio guru. You can add something like this, or whatever you want to name your project. you have to describe your goal, that why do you want to use or why do you want to make this project, and why and how it should. So you have to describe your purpose, goals in a short form, and you have to click on create project. Now I have got Physiotherapy Guru project. Memory will be created by itself. You have to give instruction as what in whatever way you want. If you want to add some of your file to give it a better context, and this is how you can create a clinic Claude project to use in a physiotherapy clinic. I hope you understood well that how can you use Claude AI to run your physiotherapy clinic to get some knowledge in an organized way than the normal chat in Claude or any chat GPT or Gemini. So I hope you get some value out of this video. Thank you very